the Mselekus heir and the next generation of Mseleku. Here are the pairs of all the siblings. We can see Umpilo and Uabongwe. Who is your favorite? We are seeing here Owami and Umawandi. Who is your favorite? We are seeing here is Usne Nolwandle. Yes, they look like they were traveling, they were in an airplane. And then we see next, we see Abongwe and Ulande. They look cute together. And yes, we are seeing Umpilo and Usne. Who is your favorite? I love the relationship. They've been so close lately. Then we are seeing Abongwe, Umpilo and Usne. They look beautiful in pink. They look gorgeous. And we are seeing Abongwe and Owami. They look so cute together. They look so cute together. The big ones, the older one, the dramatic ones. Yes, we are seeing Umpumelelo and Usne. And then we are looking at Usne and our little Metuli. Yes, the baby's name has been out, and we are seeing here Utando and Oam. Okay, Utando is not supposed to be here, but hey, she is. She is here as she is the third generation. And then we are seeing the cute Umpilo and Uabongwe. They look so cute together. They look so cute together. Yes, and we are seeing Ulwandle and Usne. They look so beautiful together. They look like they could get along for days when they want to. Do not forget to like, share, and share in the comment section.